And we're back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Briggs and Anunobi, the #1 go-to source for luxury real estate content on YouTube. We are in southern Utah and we've been touring some really cool and amazing homes so far. Now this one is a completely different style with the ultra modern architecture. It's got sleek and contemporary designs throughout, and I'm really loving this ultra luxurious backyard with double water slides. This house has 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, over 6,400 square feet, a 5.5 car garage, and is currently listed for sale at $5 million. This house is situated on the 11th green of the Copper Rock Golf Course, and it's a perfect home for all walks of life. So sit back, relax, hit that like button and subscribe button, and now let's start the tour. Right this way. As we walk into this home, I'm loving this gorgeous tile inlay wood floors that's complemented by these tall picture windows and this gorgeous contemporary chandelier. Now, I want to take everyone to the left wing of this home where we're greeted by this main floor office that also doubles as a bedroom. Let's check it out. Loving the unbelievable natural light in this space here. Beautiful picture windows and a huge slider that leads us into the back patio. Alright guys, get ready to be blown away by this super contemporary, chic, and modern family room. You gotta see this. Set the mood right with these gorgeous Nero Marquina tile on the fireplace surround and throughout the common areas of the main floor. Wow. Beautiful artistic shelving and custom cabinetry designs throughout this entire home. And then also we have a beautiful view from this back covered patio. And guys, across from the back patio, we have a side courtyard with a conversation area and a putting green area as well. Now, let's head into this ultra luxurious modern kitchen. Loving the beautiful center island with built-in breakfast table. I mean, just take a look at this ridiculous design and style. Super high-end LG Signature Series appliances. Wow. This is a gas and induction combo cooktop and a steam double oven. Notice the 3D tile backsplash and the custom cabinetry with the under mount lighting strips underneath. Loving the LED open shelving in the butler's pantry, and then it also leads into the main pantry with plenty of storage space. On the back side of the kitchen area, we have a dining space, beautiful contemporary chandelier, tons of windows for natural light. I mean, this kitchen is a 10 out of 10. All right, guys, let's head into the last section of this wing of the home, which is a primary bedroom suite. Right this way. So a cool feature about this home is that you're going to see a ton of geometric shapes such as triangles, squares, circles, hexagons throughout this entire design of this home. The developers went above and beyond to implement these shapes in every room of the house. Now, check out this over-the-top, ultra-luxurious spa bathroom. All right, I want to take everyone over to the right wing of the home, and I'm loving these two LED light strips as we walk through this hallway. Man, this house is such a vibe, and I have even more to show you. Let's get it. All right, guys, now this home has a really cool walkout basement with some incredible features and a couple of bedrooms as well. Let's go check it out together. All right, guys, so that does it for house number 17, called the Geometrica by Slate Ridge Custom Homes here in Hurricane, Utah. This house was very interesting and intriguing, to say the least. I love a lot of the features in this home. Very cool and modern. Let me know what you guys think about this home in the comments below. And also remember, this house is for sale. So if you're interested and have questions, then reach out to my team by clicking that link in the description box below. I really hope you guys are enjoying these parade tours as much as I am. Remember to go back on my channel and click on the Parade of Homes playlist to catch up on all of these tours. I have a couple more Parade of Home tours from Utah to upload to the channel, so be sure to stay tuned, turn on your post notifications, like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And special thanks to all of the new subscribers. Welcome to the Briggs team, and to my day one Briggs team family. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all of your support. Please remember to be kind to one another, tell someone you love them, put God first in all that you do, and I'll see you guys on the next property tour. Peace.